folks, welcome to Atlantic Ocean Watch here on YouTube. This is a unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed my last video where I talked to you guys about just being careful. Don't get played, I think is what I called that last video. Talking about just being careful when you're purchasing things from Wish or AliExpress, stuff like that. Not so much Amazon, necessarily, but mainly Wish, AliExpress, that kind of stuff. Today's video, though, is actually a product I purchased, and I've actually had it for a little bit over a week now, but I haven't opened it up yet. I purchased a watch from AliExpress. And it is the first time, as far as my YouTube channel is concerned, where I have a watch from this brand. Now, on this channel, I've had several different watches from what's considered to be the sister brand of this particular brand, but never had a watch from this particular brand before. But I went and got this. Let me drop my camera down some so you guys can see me opening this up a little bit easier. Go. Opening this up for y'all. And this is the first time that a Steeldive is going to be on this channel. I've had countless ATLANTICOCEANWATCH timepieces up here, but I wanted to get something a little bit different, and so I got this Steeldive timepiece here for you all. Comes in that same ATLANTICOCEANWATCH style case, so I think you're pretty much familiar with what you're about to see if you watch videos out there. Here is the watch, a little different color than what I normally would get. Steeldive, the warranty card. It says international warranty on the back of it. The instruction manual. Oh, wait a minute. What's this? Oh, on the back of the Steeldive watch. Look at all that. On the back of the instructions, it says, oh, there's a pilot series, a diver series, and an engineering series. I did not know there was a pilot or an engineering series. So, but if you look at all those there, they look strangely like ATLANTICOCEANWATCH. So maybe the suspicion that ATLANTICOCEANWATCH and Steeldive are indeed sister brands is correct. That I cannot tell you with 100% certainty, but it does appear to be that way. So anyway, let's pull this out of the packaging and pull it out for y'all. Of course, like ATLANTICOCEANWATCH, Steeldive, that's a little tag right there that I'm about to tear off here in a moment. I'm gonna tear this off. If I can't tear it off. I'm gonna be able to tear it off. Well, I guess I can't tear it off. We'll see. I forget. I'll probably go into the back of my bag, whatever, and take it off. But there's the timepiece there. Different color than what I normally would get on my channel. Haven't peeled any of the plastic off yet for y'all, but this is a different style than what I would normally get for y'all on the channel. Let me go ahead and put this on my wrist just to kind of give you guys an idea, and I'll put it on my wrist right beside the Bernie watch I just reviewed about a month or so ago. I did the unboxing for that about a month and a half or so ago, maybe something like that. So you'll see the Bernie timepiece there, comparing it a little bit. So there you go. And that's pretty much it. So far, it feels pretty comfortable. I like the big giant sized buckle there. looks nice and hefty. So, and the strap, the silicone like strap, it's a type of strap I've seen on several different watches on AliExpress, but never actually had one exactly like this. So, and I just wanted to do a different color. I normally am a blue guy, and this is kind of bluish, more of a turquoise. So I want to try something a little bit different. So there you go, the unboxing, the first Steeldive watch on the channel. And let me turn this around so you guys can see the back of it. Keep in mind the plastic is still on the watch. I haven't taken the plastic off yet, but I'll do that once I get ready to actually wear the watch for, you know, and do my normal roughly month-long review of the timepiece for you guys. That's pretty much it. So like I was saying, yep, that's pretty much it. I'm going to take this tag off and put it on, start wearing it, and I'll let you guys know what I think about it. But again, this is the first time that we've had a Steeldive watch here on Atlantic Ocean Watch. We have had several Addies dives here on the channel, even a watch dives. And I mentioned those two because it is possible, although I can't tell you with 100% certainty, it is possible that those are actually sister brands. Anyway, guys, thumbs up. Thanks for watching Atlantic Ocean Watch here on YouTube. I'm Atlantic Ocean Watch on TikTok and Instagram. Be well.